Hi, it's Julie. Today I wanted to share with you a really exciting find for me. What I was dealing with was very hard water, and also we have a well. So what was happening is seasonally my hair would stain. I would get an orange, my blonde would go kind of yellow, and then I would get sort of an orangey peachy cast to the ends of my hair. So I got a filter and I tried a bunch of different shampoos, conditioners, different things, and I could not permanently get rid of the stain that was in my hair. It would get better at different times of year. So those of you who have a well and you have light hair, you may have experienced this. But even so, if you don't have a well, if you have extremely hard water, a lot of times as a blonde, you'll get very, very brassy very quickly. And if you're going and you're paying for balayage or highlights, you're kind of wasting your money, because after a couple weeks, you don't really see it the way it was meant to be seen. My hair would just kind of go very brassy, and I don't know if this lighting and everything is going to pick it up, but I have since found what works and what will pull the brassiness and the hard water minerals out of my hair. And I'm so thrilled. So is my stylist. She's this very young, cute, hip girl, and she had heard about this Malibu hard water wellness system, ran while my hair was processing, got it for me. I, of course, paid her for it and tried it, and it's working. It has worked. So what it is I will shampoo my hair with this every other shampoo. So I would say that would be what? Twice a week I use this shampoo and conditioner. And I am using the Monate system, so I will wash my roots. Even when I use this shampoo, I will wash my roots with the Monate. Then I will use this Malibu Hard Water Wellness. It has a really nice light citrus scent. It is cruelty-free, 100% vegan. It has plant-based proteins and fruit extracts, and that's what pulls the minerals from your hair, the discoloration and the brassiness. So it's paraben and gluten-free if that's important to you. It says it restores radiant shine and vibrant color. And what I do only once a week is I use one of these packets. Let me pull it out so you don't get the reflection. And they've got these, it's got these crystals in it, and this is the hard water remedy. And what you do is you open it up, pour it out. It's kind of like this sugary, crystally substance. You have wet hands. You kind of, dissolve it slightly in your hands. Then what I do is I don't use it on my roots. I will pull my hair around after I've squeezed it out a little bit, and then rub these crystals in the length of my hair. And it says that you can do that for up to 5 minutes and leave it on and scrunch your hair and just kind of work it through. It does not tangle my hair. It has not dried out my hair. I don't find my ends to be dry or splitting or anything like that. And I was so concerned. I thought, you know what, my hair with this hard water and with the lightening of it, it's just gonna probably have a hard time. Not at all. It's soft, and I love it because I'll look at the back of my hair, especially in the mirror, and I see it as the color it was meant to be. So it's so exciting. So I do that once a week. I'll shampoo, and then I put this in, rinse it out thoroughly, and then I use the Hard Water Wellness Conditioner. And it has the same light citrusy scent. It's a simple thing, but I really like that the shampoo comes out from the top, the conditioner comes out from the bottom, so you don't have to really look at it that hard. You know what you're doing. This I just put on the bottom ends of my hair, like what I've used the shampoo and the remedy on. I'll use that, and I'll use the Monate conditioner up at the top. This doesn't tend to get discolored as quickly. I've not noticed any problem there. So this is what I'm doing. I will put the price of it up. It's not sponsored or anything like that. I am just so thrilled to have found a really nice, simple, gentle way to pull all of those minerals out of my hair. It says eliminates brassiness and discoloration, removes minerals to purify hair, restores volume and radiant shine. And I am not great with my hair, but I sure do like that I have the color all the way to the ends that I would like to have. So I'm just so excited, and I thought I would share that with you. If there are any of you out there who are battling with hard water and not sure what to do about the brassiness that keeps coming back in your hair, this might be something that could be useful to you. So hope that was helpful, and I will see you in my next video.